The 9th Conference on Advanced Computing and Communication Technologies is being hosted and primarily organized by the Asia Pacific Institute for Information Technology in Panipat. This is a follow-up of the previous 8 conferences in this area, and this conference title has been trademarked by this institute, which continues in successive years with the same title. The conference will be organized during November 27th to 29th of 2015. Though this is a college located in a place a bit far off from the metros, they have taken enormous amount of efforts to build the infrastructure for the organizational activities of this conference. They have already roped in the sponsorship of major professional societies like IEEE, Computer Society of India, and the IET for this conference. And the topics of coverage will address all aspects of advanced computing and communications. The conference committee is meeting this afternoon to discuss about the logistics arrangements, the number of parallel sessions, the different sessions, the papers to be organized in the sessions. But the areas span practically all aspects of advanced computing communications, starting from advances in VLSI design, embedded systems, wireless computing and communications, high performance computing. And the interesting feature of the conference this year is something driven towards bio-inspired computing, biocomputing and computational biology and biotechnology aspects, where eminent speakers in this area will be invited to deliver keynote addresses. And other than that, one of the notable features also this conference is going to address, we see, about the concept of the smart city, about which the Honorable Prime Minister of this country has been talking about recently, because the design development of smart cities is a big challenge, and they involve almost all facets of advanced computing and communications, including wireless technologies and bio-inspired computing. It is refreshing and good that this is being planned, and there will be pre-conference tutorials delivered by eminent speakers, tutorial speakers, and we solicit proposals from them. The conference website has already been created. It will have details about the different deadlines, the possible last dates, and one of the refreshing and interesting features I noticed to encourage students is the graduate and doctoral students. They are encouraged to submit the status of their dissertations. So this will go through a peer review presentations. So in front of the eminent experts, this will enable them to get some criticism, feedback, comments about their work, which is not often done in many conferences. As we notice, other than giving a platform for different researchers from the country and abroad for presentation, this will foster and nurture these activities in this state and this part of the country, where high performance computing, advanced computing and communications have to be nurtured in a significant way. And the college is planning to establish a high performance computing center with the patronage and guidance of Professor Pradosh Roy, who has been involved in this institute for the past several years. Professor Chaudhary and Professor Roy have been planning to establish this facility so that this will boost the activities in this area in future. And the call for papers is quite exhaustive, covering almost all facets of advanced computing and communications. We hope this will provide an excellent feature for researchers from across the world and from India to present their work. So the organizers, other than the technical presentations, are also planning to give a sort of refreshing departure to the technical seriousness, some visits to nearby places of interest. Kurukshetra as a city is very important in terms of number of historical sites and places. So both Kurukshetra and Panipat have number of such places to be visited. So I am sure the delegates, the researchers who will visit will carry with them a very pleasant memory of the conference and the event, and we do hope that a large number of international delegates will also attend, because this is the 9th one in the series. In the previous conferences we had attracted a number of international delegates as well.